Dog walkers were met with an unexpected sight in Mulbarton Common, a car engine crammed into a dog bin. The image, shared on Facebook with the caption "Unbelievable," showcased the blackened engine block, complete with pipes and filters, jutting out of the green waste receptacle. South Norfolk Council swiftly addressed the bizarre incident, stating, "We are aware of the issue and we will be removing the engine from the dog bin." They elaborated on plans for a site visit to assess the need for specialist equipment to extract the engine, promising resolution within a day or two. Under UK law, the consequences for using a vehicle to fly tip, which includes dumping waste illegally, can lead to the vehicle being impounded and fines up to £1,000.